A dash is a set of regularity spaced and contiguous cells with associated field values. The associated values represent cell values, not point values. This means that the value for a cell is assumed to be valid for all locations within the cell. So the options are crystal, raster, segment, and polygon. The correct answer is raster. In GIS, the data representation and the data structure used for these data is raster data and vector data. Now the raster data is all about value at each pixel or each cell. Now if you zoom in a map, you will see at a smallest level you can go, that is the smallest pixel. So this every cell will have certain value. I am talking about the whole cell, not the center value. So every block or every cell will have certain value. For example, the brightness value, for example, this image will have a brightness value. It can also have, every cell can also have the elevation value. And there are different values that can be given in order to have different thematic maps. So raster data is all about, it is made up of pixels or cells. They are continuous data, that is all cells come one by one. It represents the data in cells or blocks or grids. Since every cell will have certain value representing that cell, that is the size will be quite higher of this data. And this raster data, the blocks can have the brightness value, it can have the elevation value, it can even have the gradient or the slope value. So raster data is a type of spatial data. Spatial means location data, geographic data in geographic information system. And this raster data stores information of ground features in grid of pixel. So every feature, the lowest possible pixel, it will have a value that represent the feature of that particular map. Each pixel will have a unique value that represents a data point. Again, if you combine all these blocks or the cell, a proper image will be formed. It can be image of elevation image, it can be slope image, it can be normal image.